rift, step in. There's no need not to be, okay? If you're like a mile away trying to stall their trickle and stuff, that's fine. I understand that. Let's actually get the cap off. Good reinforcements. Remember all the Talus war game that we did, okay? The few. Just come in and fight non-stop, okay? There's no choke to hold. Alright, they starting to group up on pin 4. If you have flash waves, I want you to charge it and then release it in the 4 right now. Charge and release in the 4. Good. Nice, they all died at 4. Keep fighting, keep fighting. Show them better sustain. Coordinate with your statics on your blood devils and everything. We're gonna keep stacking in here until we cap it. And once we cap, we can push out and stall their trickle. We haven't capped yet. We have not capped yet. We're at 67%. That was the decap on them. Don't leave. Don't leave. Dude, you guys are doing great. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, they're spawning in 1. So, flex team, PO team, look at 1. Look towards 1. Stall them. Stall them as long as you can until we get this cap. We're at 84%. Just keep them out of the rift. Keep them out of the rift. Good shit. Good shit. Nice. 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 91%. Still stay here. Let's cap it. Let's cap it quick so we can actually get out and fight. Okay, they might be resetting. Don't chase. Don't chase if they reset. Okay, let's get a cap off. Excellent. Okay, PO team. I mean, not PO team. Tank team, sit on the rift. Everyone else, I want Bomber and PO team looking at pin 2, entry 2. Bomber, PO team, and maybe even Flex team. Go to pin 2, just in case we get flanked. They're up on the pin 8. I see them. The whole ball, we're gonna look towards that side. Just sit behind pin 1 right now, okay? Main ball, come here. Come here, come here. Main ball, come here. Come towards pin 1. We're just gonna wait here. Actually, Bomber, if you can, run into 8, peace run with them. Like behind 8, I think somewhere over there's a peace zone. Okay, try to find it. And just run in from there, from behind when they go in. Like land a big ass sleep on their back line, stall them, so that when they try to attack us, it's not their full force. And just harass them. We're not pushing up to the ledge. We just stay here and we wait. This is good. So Peel and Flex, when you guys see someone back there, let me know. If you don't see anyone when we engage, then you can come and help us. We just stay here. Yep, that's fine. I anticipate them splitting. So let's see where they split to. Just wait. Okay, get ready to engage on this. Yep, let's engage on 1 first. We can engage on 1 first. But like not on 1, but the forces in 1 I'm talking about. Yep, this is fine. This is fine. Buff up, buff up, buff up. Buff and fight. Tank team, sit on the point cap. Just keep them off. Dump flash waves into 1. Just keep throwing your flash waves in 1. They're dying, they're dying, they're dying. Okay, now back up, back up, back up, back up. Back into rift, back into rift. Fight the rift, fight the rift. This is good. There's only like 10 players in the rift. Kill the rift, kill all the players in the rift, and then we can turn around and fight them. Good. Kill off the rest on the rift. They're almost dead. They're almost dead. Good shit. Okay, Flex team and Bombers, you guys are doing great. Yeah, sit on them. Sit on them and pin 1. The main ball, we kill everyone on the rift. Keep them off the cap. Don't let them even try to, touch it. Good. Okay, let's push off the rift a little bit. Let's help out a Bomber team and Flex team. Let's clear all the players in 1. Clear all the players in 1. Tank team, you guys sit on the cap. Sit on the cap and play defense for us. Everyone else, just kill them here at 1. By pin 1. If they leave pin 1 and go on the cliff, let them be. Just kill off all these players here. Don't chase. Don't chase. We just want to, slow down their reset. Okay, back up, back up, back up, back up. That's fine. Good shit. Okay, get your mana. Heal up. Or is the smoke never come back?
Yeah, he didn't.
He never came back. He's
Chum just
trolling.
logged on. Chum just logged on.
Alright, I'll invite Chum.
Same thing, same exact thing. They're jumping up. Okay, look up, look up. That's fine. Sit on the rift. Sit on the rift for this one. If they fly down, they are actually kind of trolling a bit. So once they fly, when you see them fly, like with wings and everything, that's when you buff, all right? That's the cue for us to buff. We don't even need to go towards the cliff. Just sit here. Don't get baited. Don't get baited. They're trying to bait. Crispy, Crispy, get over here. To us, yes. You don't need to be over there. Get ready. The cue is when they start coming over here. That's when we buff. Not yet, not yet. We want to fight on the rift or close to the rift if we can. Okay? Good pull, good pull. That's good, that's good. Okay, buff them now. Now it's time to buff. Now it's time to buff. Buff, and we're going to engage. Buff and engage. Right side first. Right next to pin 7. That's where we're going to fight. Pin 7 and 4. Pin 7 and 4. Kill those players first. Good, wipes. Good shit. Now focus everyone on the rift. On the rift, on the rift. Pin 4, pin 4, pin 4. Kill these players. Keep fighting, keep fighting. We're doing good. We're decapping them, it's fine. We have 30 to their 15 on the rift. Kill off all the players inside the rift. Get back quick. Come on, we have a lot of... Their players are so low on the rift. Finish them. Don't be lazy. Tap through. Swap your targets. If you see him almost dead, kill him. Good fights, good fights. There's a group of 3 behind the riftstone. Just finish them off. And then we can push out, we can push out. They're gonna decap in 5%. Good stuff, good stuff. Good job. Okay, we can push out. It's decap. Let's wipe the players on 1. Don't let them retreat. Don't let them retreat. Kill them. Kill them on 1. Yeah, don't let them reset. There you go. Get him, get him, get him. Okay, don't chase too far. Don't chase the hill. Back up, back up. This is good now. Nice. Now they gotta wait until those, 5, 6
I think
players
Dreams
come
is
back.
shot caller. You kill Dreams, he's shot caller.
You're gonna put a mark on him.
Who? Who's shot caller?
Dreams. I believe Dreams, the Templar shot caller.
Alright, so let me see where they are. They're back onto the hill at 8, I think. Bomber, just try to follow them. Yeah, we still have summon rest. We have everything. See some on the rocks, on the mountain. Just wait, we just wait. Do the same play. Someone pin 2? Okay, let me see. I'm gonna double check. Alright, let's flip, let's flip. Main ball, we're gonna look 2. And then the special teams that we're holding 2, you guys go to the other side. Go to the other side, let's flip. Swap, swap, swap. Let's go. Good shit. Yeah, the special team, you guys can engage anyone outside of 1 right now. Because their main ball is over here. That means whatever you guys see there, it's just gonna be low numbers. Just play, play smart though. If they're trying to bait you into the ball, don't give it to them. Good stuff. There you go. Good pickoffs. Okay, get ready. Get ready. Back up, back up. You guys are way too far. Crispy, that is the wrong place to be. Okay, everyone group up. Get ready. Don't buff yet. Don't buff yet. I just said get ready. Okay, buff now, buff now. We're going to counter engage into 2. Now, counter engage into 2. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in, get in, get in. Big fights. Flex and bombers, you guys can flank them. They're down underneath us. Good kills. Kill all the people at 2. Kill all the players at 2. Keep your buff rotation. It looks like they might have a summon back there. Either a summon or res. Just don't push out. Don't push out at 2. Just hold 2. Just hold 2. Hold 2 and kill them as they come in at 2. Don't overextend. Do not overextend. Just on 2. Just on 2. Fight them on 2. That's good. Tank team, you should be on the point. Make sure they don't, sneak in from behind. We can fight a little bit. We can keep fighting this. I will tell you when to stop. We can keep fighting this. Okay, that's good. Now back up. Now back up. Now back up. Back up. Back up. Back to the rift. Back to the rift. Back to the rift. That's good. We just wiped up, wiped half the raid. So if they're gonna attack, they have to wait for everyone to respawn, run back. So let's get healthy. Let our guys who died respawn as well. Let's go wipe off the players in pin 1. Right here. This timing. The other guys they aren't ready. Tank team, stay back. Stay back, tank team. Okay, good. Now go back. Go back. Back to Rift. Back to Rift. They died. They died. They died. They died. Come back. Come back. It's perfect. Hell yeah. Now they gotta wait for the people who died 30 seconds ago to come back and wait for these people who died 15 seconds ago to come back. How long does Resurrection Stone last for? Five minutes? Okay. Crispy? At pin 8 is where I want you to drop the Rest Stone, okay? Not summon. Okay, everyone else, tank up front, tank up front. We're gonna look into 1. Don't fight 1 though. No, we're not fighting yet. We're just gonna look. And then PO team, yeah, the flex team and everything, you guys gotta look behind us. You guys we have high ground here. We can dump some flash waves onto him. Use your range skills. Yeah, exactly. Don't go down though. Don't go down. You don't need to go down. Don't go down and die. Don't go down and die. We just range. Just range. It's good. We have a rest stone down. You used that a little too soon. I didn't tell you to use it yet, but it's okay. Don't overextend. Hold 1. It's a slight high ground, so use this as, to our advantage. We can fight on 1. We can fight on 1. We got flex team and PO team fighting at 2, so we're safe. We're fine. Keep fighting. Keep fighting at 1. If you have buffs, remember use buffs for your teammates. Okay, now Tornado and Kite back. And get back a little bit so that we can meet up with our special teams. Fight on the rift. Fight on the rift. Just the last of them. It's not that many of them. You guys are doing great. Okay, main ball. Let's throw flash waves into 6. Into 6. Finish off these players. There we go. Nice. Okay, do not push to 1 though. Come back and let's help our special teams. By 2. Let's finish these players right here. Good stuff. Nice. Okay, now that they're all dead, special team, go to 1 and help us wipe off those players. These are just 1s and 2s. They have 2 minutes left. Do not chase them though. Don't chase past 1, remember. We don't need to chase past 1. I know it's not a choke, but we are literally turning it into a choke. They're on the cap. Keep them off. Throw your flash waves on top of those tanks that are trying to cap.
They summon behind 1.
Okay. Crispy, drop a summon too. Behind 2. Okay, big buffs now, big buffs now. We need to sustain. Big buffs. Let's sustain. Everything you have, fight on the rift. Go drop that summon.
Akron.
Res is already dropped. We already dropped it earlier.
Dropping a summon. Dropping a summon.
Yeah, next time don't drop the res until I tell you, okay? Just keep fighting. We outnumber him still. Get in on the rift. The summon's up. Use the summon and get back. Flash waves in the 6. Flash waves in the 6. Pin 6. Pin 6. They're all clumped up right there. Just throw your flash waves on the 6 and farm them.
If you
There
kill someone,
we
get
go.
up. Kill someone, get up if you're dead.
They're dead. They're all dead. They wiped. They wiped. Just decap them now. Decap. Decap. They don't have time. Decap them. Alright, GG guys. Just kill the rest. Kill whoever you can.
They're capping, they're capping.
It's fine. No, they have no time. It's 24 seconds left. Even if they spin the flag, they can't actually cap it. Just kill everyone in the rift. Well played. Good job. GG. Dump your flash wave in the 6. They're clumped again. They're clumped right there in that little corner. There you go. Oof. Well, I'm watching those flash waves rip. Yikes. Alright, GG. Go.
We spam Honk in ally chat. I mean, all chat.
Yeah.
GG's, guys. GG. Hey, GG's, guys. That was good.
All right. Not too bad. They were definitely. Oh yeah, we have inter-server. Yeah. They were definitely weaker than some of the guilds we've been fighting recently. They actually felt weaker than Big Dog, surprisingly enough. What else? Yeah, make sure you don't drop the summon and stuff earlier. I don't know if I miscommunicated. I meant to say like